Is there any scientific background to the concept of nazar or evil eye? Let's find out. Ibn Abbas reported Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, as saying, "The influence of an evil eye is a fact. If anything would precede destiny, it would be the influence of an evil eye." Also, in Quran chapter 113 verse 5, we explicitly ask Allah for refuge from the evil of the envier when they envy. So, evil eye definitely exists, but is it relatable to any of the scientific concepts? Evil eye, as the name suggests, is technically an act of observation, and what does quantum physics tell us about the act of observation? The double-slit experiment of quantum physics proves that photons and electrons that make up all of what we can touch and see behave differently under observation. Photons and electrons behave like waves when unobserved, and their wave function collapses into particle behavior under observation. Basically, as per quantum physics, observation can change reality. So, when the Prophet says that evil eye is a fact and can change destiny, does it mean that the envious observation of an envier collapses the wave function of your destiny to change reality for the worse? Another mind-blowing hadith about observation is as follows. Listen in. Abu Hurairah said, "I brought the Prophet some dates, saying, 'Ask God for a blessing on them, Messenger of God.' He took them, prayed that I might have a blessing in them, and said, 'Take them and put them in your provision bag, and as often as you wish to take any, put in your hand and take them, but do not scatter them.'" Abu Hurairah says, "I would take such and such wask, a unit of measure, of those dates in the path of Allah. We would eat from it and give others to eat. That bag would not part from my waist until the day Uthman was martyred, for the bag was cut away." For context, Uthman Radi Allahu Ta'ala Anhu was martyred 24 years after our beloved Prophet passed away from this earth. So the bag of blessed dates lasted till the day its contents were not observed directly. Only when the bag was cut away and the contents of the bag were observed did the dates run out. So not only the concept of evil eye, but also the concept of barakah is directly related to observation and ultimately proved by the concepts of quantum physics. Our physics still cannot explain the dual nature of photons and electrons, and there is a Nobel Prize waiting for you if you can discover why observation collapses the probability wave function, and Allah knows best.